man, and this is the Dick Burger from Mackie D's. So you got to do first is get the Big Mac. Easy peasy lemon squeeze it. Nice. Take it like that. Take the top one off. Don't need that. Take your cheeseburger. Nice. Put that on. Take them. Yeah, do that first. Get some chips. Put some chips on there first. Just like that. Put the burger on. There's your Dick Burger. You rate this out of 5. So enjoy the Dick Burger.
Do I start?
Mm.